Have you noticed that no matter how hard you try, losing weight after 40 feels harder than ever before? You're eating right, exercising, but it seems like your metabolism just isn't cooperating. Well, you're not alone, and in today's video, I'm going to reveal why metabolism slows down after 40 and how you can reset it to start seeing real weight loss results. Stick around because this is a game changer. Let's face it, midlife can be challenging, especially when it comes to weight loss. As we age, our metabolism seems to naturally slow down, but that doesn't mean you're doomed to have a life of stubborn belly fat. You just need to understand what's happening to your body and how to adjust your lifestyle to turn things around. In today's video, we're going to talk about what happens to your metabolism after 40, why it's harder to lose weight, and most importantly, how to reset it with simple lifestyle changes that you can start using right away. As we get older, our bodies go through a lot of changes, and one of the biggest changes is the slowdown of metabolism. But why does this happen? First, muscle mass decreases as we age. Since muscle burns more calories than fat, a decrease in muscle mass means your body naturally burns fewer calories. This is one of the main reasons weight loss gets harder after 40. Second, there's a hormonal shift. As estrogen and testosterone levels decrease, it can affect our body and the way that our body processes food and burns fat. Lastly, lifestyle factors like stress, poor sleep, and not getting enough physical activity can contribute to a lower metabolism. But the good news is these things can all be fixed. Now let's talk about how to reset your metabolism through diet. It's not just about eating less, it's about eating the right foods. To jumpstart your metabolism, you need to focus on nutrient-dense foods that fuel your body and promote fat burning. For example, protein. Protein is essential because it helps build and maintain muscle mass, which increases your metabolism. Try to include a source of protein in every meal, whether it's lean meats, beans, or plant-based protein. And number two, healthy fats. Healthy fats such as avocado oils, nuts, beans can keep your metabolism running efficiently. Fat is also essential for balancing hormones that regulate weight. Number three, fiber. Fiber-rich foods like vegetables and whole grains keep you regular and your digestive support system healthy. You may have heard the saying, muscle burns fat, and it's absolutely true. If you're not incorporating strength training into your routine, it's time to start. Strength training is crucial for rebuilding muscle mass, which is a key factor in boosting metabolism. Start with body weight exercises like squats or lunges and push-ups, or use light dumbbells to challenge your muscles. Don't forget about cardio exercise. Aerobic exercises like walking, cycling, or swimming can help increase your calorie burn and improve your cardiovascular health. And number three, high-intensity training, interval training, HIIT. If you're short on time but want to boost your metabolism, quick HIIT is one of the most effective forms of exercise. Short bursts of intense activity followed by rest periods can keep your metabolism elevated for hours after your workout. Just be mindful when it comes to doing high impact HIIT training. It's not just about food and exercise. Your sleep and stress levels play a huge role in resetting your metabolism. Poor sleep can mess with your hormones, particularly cortisol, which is a stress hormone. High cortisol levels can lead to fat storage, especially in the midsection area of your body. So aim for approximately 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night to help your body reset and repair. Try to manage your stress. Chronic stress can lead to higher cortisol levels and disrupt your metabolism. Ways to manage stress is through meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or simply just going outdoors for a walk. Reducing stress is essential for keeping your metabolism running smoothly. To recap, resetting your metabolism after 40 is all about making small, sustainable lifestyle changes. Focus on eating a balanced diet with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Incorporate strength training and cardio into your fitness routine and prioritize sleep and stress management. By making these changes, you can start to boost your metabolism and get back on track with your weight loss goals. If you want even more tips on how to lose weight, especially during menopause, and reset your metabolism, I've created a free menopause weight loss guide. You can download it for free by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, you may also like this one next.